Hi, welcome to the Geterbrewed warehouse. Today we're in the Weyermann sofa. So Weyermann is a range of specialty malt from Bamberg in Germany. So we have stocked it here for quite a while and we have a large variety of their malts. I just want to take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about things that are quite unique. So first off, let's look at their heirloom or heritage variety of Barke. So it's available in three types. What they've done is they've taken the Barke malt, introduced it to their barley growing program, got that to a stage where they've enough of that to introduce it to commercial release. And we're pleased to be able to present Pilsner, Munich and Vienna in the Barke range. So a heritage malt variety, and what can you expect from that? So as with other heritage and heirloom varieties that we stock from the likes of our partners in Crisp, you can expect it to be, a stronger, maltier flavour. You can expect that flavour to be deeper within the palate and just all in all a more robust, well-rounded flavour. So we recommend that you check out the heirloom and heritage malt varieties. What else is Bamberg famous for other than smoke beers? So still very popular today. Some breweries in that area brewing some exceptionally popular smoke beer. So the way the kiln process used to work meant that there was smoke that got into the malt and created a smoked malt. Now this is deliberately smoked with advances in modern technology, malting technology. Obviously that doesn't happen with current varieties, but they deliberately produce two smoked malts. So we have Beech smoked barley and oak smoked wheat. Two incredible quality specialty smoked malts if you want to check them out this year for your smoked beers. So we've covered smoked beers, which Bamberg's famous for. We've covered the Barke range. Let's look at malt with Terroir, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So Eraclea, again, pronunciation's probably not right. It's grown, this is not about the barley, it's more about the location. So it's grown close to the Adriatic Sea in Italy. So if you're making yourself an Italian Pilsner at home this year, this is your go-to malt variety to try out. There's a lot of selection of different malts available from Weyermann, and one other one that I would highlight to you for checking out is the Carafa Special range. It's a dehusked barley variety that's then kilned and roasted. What that does is it produces a less astringent flavour in that highly kilned and roasted malt. So something that we recommend you check out. So that's the Weyermann range, stocked here at Geterbrewed in any quantity. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy brewing.